Yesterday, I go to the park and I see my friends there. We have so much fun.
Wait, did you say go to the park? You mean you went to the park?
Oh, yes, I went. But anyway, I don't need no help with grammar.
Any help, Alex? I think you're making a few grammar mistakes, but that's okay. Want me to help you with them?
Sure, Jamie, that would be great. I always mix those things up.
Hey there, welcome back to English Nuts. Today, we're going to help you avoid some of the most common English grammar mistakes that many non-native speakers make, just like Alex. We'll go over each one slowly so you can understand them clearly. And if you want more easy English lessons, make sure to subscribe to English Nuts so you don't miss out. Ready? Let's jump in. Mistake 1. Incorrect verb tenses. Example: Yesterday I go to the park. Correct. Yesterday I went to the park. We use went instead of go because it's in the past. When you talk about something that happened already, make sure to use the past form of the verb. Mistake 2. Confusing present perfect and simple past. Example: I have been to London last year. Correct. I went to London last year. For things that happened at a specific time in the past, like last year, we use the simple past tense, so it's I went. Use I have been when the time isn't clear. Mistake 3. Leaving out articles, I and the. Example: She is doctor. Correct? She is a doctor. We need to add a or an to say that she's one of many doctors. Without a, the sentence sounds incomplete. Mistake 4. Mixing up prepositions. Example: I depend in you. Correct. I depend on you. Prepositions are tricky, but they help clarify meaning. In English, we say depend on to show who you're relying on. It just takes practice. Mistake 5. Mixing countable and uncountable nouns. Example: I have much friends. Correct. I have many friends. We say many with things we can count, like friends. But we use much for things we can't count, like water or air. Mistake 6. Using double negatives. Example: I don't need no help. Correct. I don't need any help. Only one negative word is needed in English to make a sentence negative. If you say don't and no together, it cancels out the negative meaning. Mistake 7. Incorrect subject-verb agreement. Example: He walked to school every day. Correct. He walks to school every day. When using he, she, or it, add an s to the verb in present tense. So we say he walks, not he walk. Mistake 8. Using adjectives instead of adverbs. Example: She speaks very quick. Correct. She speaks very quickly. Quick describes nouns, but quickly describes verbs, like how she speaks. Add ly to make it work here. Mistake 9. Wrong word order in questions. Example: You are coming tomorrow? Correct. Are you coming tomorrow? In English, we put the verb first in questions. Instead of you are, we ask are you? Mistake 10. Irregular plural forms. Example: Children are playing outside. Correct. Children are playing outside. Some words have special plural forms like children for child and people for person. These just need to be memorized. And that's it. These small corrections can make a big difference in how you sound. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed learning today. Share this video with friends who might need a little extra help with grammar, and see you in the next lesson.